Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's video is on You Should See Me in a Crown, and it's on the guitar, so let's get started. So this song is going to be quick and easy to learn. Looking at the structure for it, the verse 1, verse 2, and bridge are the same. And then on the chorus, it's going to be a little different, but it's still pretty easy. So let's start off with learning the chords. So the first chord is going to be a G sharp minor. And the second chord is a B major. So those are the only two chords you're going to need to know for this entire song. Alright, so since the verse and the bridge are the same, I'm going to show you guys two examples of how you can play them. So the first one is just going to be strumming. So 2, 3. So the strum pattern that I'm going to be using is 8 down strums, and we're going to be playing that 2 times for each chord. As I play it, I'll count it out so you guys can also hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and then you're going to go to the B, and you're also going to do the same thing for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so now let's try and play that all the way through. And the second style we're going to use is the fingerstyle, which we're going to use the chords and playing only with 3 strings. So we're going to start off with the G sharp minor on the top string. So we're using the E, D, and G string. And it's the same as the strumming, so you're playing it twice. And if you find it difficult to play the bottom 2 strings, you can actually just play the top 3. Alright, so now we're going to go to the B chord and do the same thing for this one. And then again, if that's difficult, you can play the top 3. So let's try and put that together and play it all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the chorus, we're only going to be using 1 chord, which is the A flat minor, and it's going to be, so there's 8 counts in it, but we're only going to be doing 7 down strums. As we play it, I'll count it out for you guys, and you guys can kind of hear how it sounds like. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's basically it for the entire chorus. I highly suggest playing it with the song so you guys can know where you guys are at, and I'll leave some chords down below for you guys to look at. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to check out these other videos that I have on this channel. Go ahead, subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.